So this is the hot water heater, and if you look in here, you can see the flame. If you do not hear this sound, it means that it has gone out because of the downdraft from up above. So if you need to light it, this is how you do it. In this cabinet, the far left above the bidet, just open it up. There's extra toilet paper in there, and there is a wand for lighting the hot water heater. So you go over here, move that slide to the center, and hold it in while lighting the pilot. You have to hold it in for a few minutes, and sometimes it's best to turn water on either in the bidet to full force hot, and sometimes you need to do the sink also. After a minute, you can let go of that and turn the button to the far right, and that will light the hot water heater. You'll have hot water again within 30 seconds.